Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you an easy grilled chicken recipe. This is one of my favorite ways to make chicken. It's so good. The chicken is very juicy and tender. I usually enjoy this with a side of salad for lunch. So later in this video, I'll be showing you how I pair this with my favorite salad. It's really delicious and perfect for a healthy diet. Let's get started. Alright you guys, for this recipe, we're using 2 large chicken breasts and we're going to tenderize the chicken by pounding. So I'm covering the chicken with a saran wrap in order to prevent any mess. Then I'm using my meat pounder to pound the chicken. Pounding the chicken will make them extremely tender and it will also even them out. That way the thicker side and the thinner side can cook evenly. So once we're done pounding our chicken, we're going to put together the spices for the chicken. I have an empty bowl here. Into that I'm pouring in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can use original paprika if that's what you have. Half teaspoon of cumin, a quarter teaspoon of ground coriander, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm using half teaspoon salt and a quarter teaspoon black pepper. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then mix everything together. And you guys, you can double this recipe if you want. If you use 4 chicken breasts, just double the amount of spices. Once everything is mixed in, I'm going to take the saran wrap of the chicken. Then I'm going to pour half of the spice mixture on one side of the chicken. Spread to coat very well. Next, turn them over, then add the remaining spice mixture. Go ahead and spread it out as well. Once your chicken is very well coated, you can let them sit and marinate for a little bit if you have time, or just go ahead and cook them right away. I have my grill pan heating up. I'm going to coat the bottom with olive oil. I'm using about a tablespoon. You're going to allow the oil to heat up and get smoky, okay? And my heat is turned to medium high. It's just a little under medium high. Once that pan is smoking hot, you're going to toss in your chicken. Once your chicken touches the pan, don't move them, okay? Otherwise, you're going to mess up the grill marks. We're going to cook the chicken for 5 minutes on one side. After 5 minutes, go ahead and turn them over. Then cook them for another 5 minutes on the other side. So in total, we're cooking the chicken for 10 minutes. Look at those gorgeous grill marks. You're going to have some smoke coming out of your pan, so make sure you have a window open or something. The smoke adds so much flavor to the chicken. So once the time is up, you're going to turn off your heat. And I like to place a lid over my pan and let the chicken sit in the pan for about 3 minutes. The steam from the pan will help make the chicken extra tender. And make sure you check your chicken for internal temperature of 165 to 175 Fahrenheit because that's how you really know your chicken is fully cooked. I'm transferring the chicken onto my cutting board. Make sure you don't cut your chicken right away, otherwise all the juices will run out. Let them rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting through. Alright, let's slice through this chicken. Let me show you how tender, juicy it is. It's so easy to slice through. So soft and juicy, it just falls right off. Look at that. The flavor is so good. I usually have this for lunch or dinner, so I'm going to show you how I serve this with my side of salad. I go ahead and place the slices on my plate. Then I add a handful of some spring mix on the side. I also add some de-seeded cherry tomatoes, sliced avocado, and I love using this Olive Garden Italian dressing in my salads. It's so good. I go ahead and pour about 2 tablespoons. And then last, I like to sprinkle some feta cheese all over it. And look at that, you guys, we are done. It is very healthy and so delicious. I had this for lunch around 2 p.m. today and it's currently 8 p.m. as I'm talking to you guys and I'm still full. It fills you up so well. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go. If you want to make this recipe, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!